How to write script for YouTube video in ChatGPT. So first, go to ChatGPT, and then from here you can already say a prompt, so ChatGPT can make you a script for your YouTube video. So what you need to do is just type in the prompt. For example, make me a YouTube video script, and then of course tell ChatGPT what the topic is about. So let's say the topic is about money. Okay, so let's say this is make me a YouTube video script about money, and then just enter the prompt. And then as you can see, now ChatGPT is already typing you or making you the video script for your YouTube video. So let's say this is too short for you, you can also say that make it longer. And as you can see, ChatGPT makes it longer as well. And let's say you want ChatGPT to make it more engaging, you can also type that, make it more engaging. Then ChatGPT would do that as well. Okay, you can just edit, type in different prompts to make your script more engaging, and of course make it more how you want it to be. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.